Hello, my name is John Jairo Molina. I am studying industrial energy, and today I will talk about how inferential statistics help us to analyze urban mobility problems and improve decision making in cities like Bogota. How can sampling methods improve the analysis of urban mobility problems in cities like Bogota? Sampling methods improve the analysis of urban mobility because they allow us to collect information for a smaller group of people or trips and estimate conclusions about the world population. For example, intercept of interviewing or 8,000 in in a site. We can take a sampler of 500 while a proper method, like Striper of systematic sample, the results are representative and reliable. This makes the study faster, cheaper, and easier while keeping a goal. Accuracy to understand problems such as traffic congestion or distance travel. What were advantages of using confidential interval when evaluation public transport systems? Confidential intervals are very important because there's not only the average result, but also the margin of error around it. For instance, if the average waiting time for a bus has 20 minutes, while a 95% confidence interval of 11:30, we can know the real value is very likely between those numbers. These help decision makers because they can evaluate the quality of service con more certainty, compare different bus routes, and understand if improvements are statistically significant. 3. Describe a real-world scenario where statistical inference could lead to better eh, environmental or mobility policies. A real-world scenario could be the design of policies to reduce car usage and pollution in Bogota. By taking samples of drive and analyzing their average fuel consumption or distance traveled, we can estimate the total emission of the city. While statistical inference, we can test if policies like car-free days or bike lanes reduce this average significantly. If the result is no small confidence interval and clear difference between groups, policymakers can justify strong environmental action on and promote sustainable mobility. Closing. In conclusion, inferential statistics is essential for my academic and professional development. It helps me analyze data correctly, make decisions with evidence, and propose better solutions in areas such as mobility, environment, and industrial process.